How to block someone that already blocked you on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to any of your posts. Go to comments and then mention the account you want to block. Then simply click on enter. From here, click on the account. You'll find three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Click on block and you can block account like this. That's how you block someone that already blocked you on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.